Are you ready to transform your home into a cozy autumn sanctuary? Imagine walking into your living room, greeted by the warm hues of fall flowers, the air filled with the subtle fragrance of seasonal blooms. If you've ever wondered how to capture the essence of autumn through stunning floral arrangements, then you're in the right place. Let's explore 6 easy yet gorgeous fall flower decor ideas that will make your home the envy of the neighborhood. What are the best flowers to use for fall decor? Choosing the right flowers is essential for capturing the autumn vibe. Opt for blooms that reflect the season's rich colors and textures. Chrysanthemums. Known for their vibrant colors, chrysanthemums are a fall staple. They come in shades of red, orange, yellow, and even purple, perfect for any autumn arrangement. Sunflowers. These bright and cheerful flowers bring a burst of sunshine into your home, even as the days grow shorter. Their large, bold faces add warmth to any space. Dahlias, with their intricate petal structure and deep, dramatic colors. Dahlias add a touch of elegance to your fall decor. If you love the idea of filling your home with the season's best blooms, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with a friend who's ready for fall. How can I create a simple yet elegant fall centerpiece? A well-designed centerpiece can become the focal point of your fall decor, adding both beauty and warmth to your dining or coffee table. Mix and match heights. Combine tall vases with short ones to create visual interest. Fill them with a mix of sunflowers, mums, and eucalyptus for texture. Incorporate natural element. Add pine cones, small pumpkins, or acorns to your floral arrangements for an authentic fall feel. Use a tray. Place your arrangement on a decorative tray. This not only defines the space, but makes it easy to move when needed. Comment below with your favorite fall flowers, and don't forget to check out the description for more centerpiece ideas. For more fall decor inspiration, check out the playlist in the description, where we dive into outdoor decor ideas. What are some tips for using fall flowers in outdoor decor? Bring the beauty of autumn to your doorstep by incorporating fall flowers into your outdoor decor. These tips will ensure your arrangements look stunning and last longer. Choose hardy blooms. Opt for flowers like marigolds, and mums that can withstand cooler temperatures and last through the season. Use rustic containers. Think about using old crates, barrels, or even hollowed-out pumpkins as planters to enhance the fall aesthetic. Layering is key. Create depth by layering different plants and flowers. Start with taller plants at the back and smaller blooms in the front for a full, lush look. For more fall decor inspiration, check out the playlist in the description, where we dive into outdoor decor ideas you won't want to miss. How can I incorporate fall flowers into a wreath? Wreaths are a classic way to welcome the season. Adding fall flowers can take your wreath from simple to stunning. Start with a base. Choose a great season. More similar videos. Want more ideas like this? Click the link in the description to explore our full range of DIY fall projects. Vine or twig wreath as your base. It provides a natural rustic look that's perfect for fall. Add focal flowers. Use larger flowers like dahlias or sunflowers as the centerpiece of your wreath. These will draw the eye and make a statement. Fill with greenery and accents. Surround your focal flowers with seasonal greenery, berries, and smaller blooms like mums or marigolds to add fullness and color. Be sure to subscribe for more DIY decor ideas and tips on how to make your home look amazing this season. What are some unique ways to display fall flowers indoors? Beyond traditional vases, there are many creative ways to showcase fall flowers indoors that will bring seasonal warmth to every room. Mason jars and twine. Wrap mason jars with twine and fill them with fall flowers for a rustic farmhouse look. Hanging arrangements. Create hanging flower arrangements using macrame hangers or simple ribbon. This adds a whimsical touch to your decor. Use vintage finds. Repurpose vintage pitchers, teapots, or even an old. Grab all the items from today's video directly from the links in the description below. Toolbox as a vase for a unique, eclectic look. Want more ideas like this? Click the link in the description to explore our full range of DIY fall projects. How can I make fall flower arrangements last longer? Ensuring your fall flower arrangements stay fresh and vibrant is all about proper care and smart placement. Trim the stems. Cut the stems at a 45-degree angle to allow for better water absorption. Change water regularly. Keep the water fresh by changing it every few days, and add flower food or a few drops of bleach to prevent bad bacteria growth. Avoid direct sunlight and heat. Place your arrangements away from direct sunlight and heat sources to prevent wilting. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Conclusion: you've now got all the inspiration you need. Bring the beauty of fall into your home with stirring floral decor. Whether it's a centerpiece, a wreath, or a simple vase arrangement, these ideas will help you celebrate the season in style. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. For entire video, like and share. If you love the idea of filling your home with the season's best blooms, make sure to hit that like button and share.